Hello, today, we're diving into 2D animation and bone rigging in Unity. By the end of this video, you'll have 2 animated characters, one jumping and one walking, all using bone-based rigging. Let's get started. First, we need 2 packages, 2D Animation and 2D PSD Importer. Go to Window Package Manager, then install both packages from Unity Registry. Now, set the main camera's background color to pure black. Select the main camera, and in the inspector, change the background to black. Let's create a glow shader. Right-click in the project window, go to Create, Shader Graph, URP, Sprite Shader Graph. Double-click to open Shader Graph. This is how I set up Shader Graph. In Graph Setting, Material should be Sprite Lit, and Blending Mode is Alpha. Create main text texture 2D. Multiply it with glow color and connect output to fragment color. Also connect alpha to fragment alpha input. Just save and close it. We'll customize later if needed. Next, create a material using this shader. Right-click, Create, Material. Assign the glow shader we just made. Drag your prepared background sprite into the scene. In the inspector, assign the new glow material we created to it. Let's add some glow. Right-click in Hierarchy and create a global volume. Add a bloom override. Adjust intensity to make it glow how you like. Now select the main camera, and make sure post-processing is checked. This ensures bloom shows in game view. You can freely adjust the post-processing value and material input to achieve a happy result. Drag your PSD character into the project. In the import settings, set the importer mode to PSD import. Click Apply, then hit Sprite Editor, and go to Skinning Editor. Now create bones by clicking the Create Bone tool. Connect bones through the limbs and torso. After that, click Auto Geometry and then Auto Weights to bind the mesh. Perfect. Now we can move or rotate bones to deform the mesh. Drag the rigged character into your scene. Then open the animation window. Create a new clip called idle. And keyframe a subtle up and down breathing animation. Now create a new clip called jump. An animated jumping pose. Perfect. I like it. How do you think? Give your thought in the comment. Create new prefab folder and drag the first character from the scene into it. Drag prefab character to the scene to make another character. Move it to desired position. While selecting it, open animation window to make walk animation. You can copy keyframes from other animation and click on red record button to record animation. Move and rotate bones for each keyframe and timeline. Now select Animator controller. Double-click to open. Set jump state as default. Rename characters with walk and jump suffix. Duplicate animator controller. Rename it with walk suffix and set walk state as default. Now, assign each character with their animation controller. Click play and see the result. Now, you should see the white stickman try to jump the high step but fail, while the second one walks quickly up each stair step like a pro. And that's it. You've just created animated 2D characters using bone rigging in Unity, complete with lighting effects and shader glow. If you enjoyed this tutorial, hit like, subscribe, and don't forget to check out more cool tips here on Mr. Wonder How. See you next time.